What has kept me so invested in Frisco and Felicia is I did lose touch with them for a while through college, once Jack Wagner left the show for good in 1995. But the continuous pull is that when you go back and watch the clips that they have done, it's just, you're pulled into that magic that they created on screen together and the love that they had for each other that was apparent, came through, and they were just very fun to watch. And there's always something new when you're watching them. You could see a different nuance in their kisses. If there was a scene that you saw 10 times and you watched it and one more time, there was something that you missed, because they had these little intimate details between the two of them as actors and as Jack and Christina brought to Frisco and Felicia. So it's always exciting and interesting to watch them. So that's why you're always pulled to their work.